Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is a day 20 of July Lit Coding Challenge and the problem is remove linked list elements. So remove all the elements from a linked list of integers that have value well. So in example 1 we have a linked list this 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 and we have to remove all the node whose value is 6. So there are two nodes, one is this, one is this. So if we remove them, then we will left over in our list only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 node. So how we will solve this problem? So let's try to understand. So one of the basic and very easy solutions should come in your mind, like create a dummy node here with the value -1 and link with our existing linked list with the head and this, and also keep another pointer, previous pointer, which will track the previous pointer and move the head until we reach the end of the list. So, and during that movement we will check if our head dot value, so over here we have head dot value equal to 6, no, then we will move our head previous dot next to the current head. So this will be previous dot next to current head, and then update previous to previous next, and also move the head to head dot next. So once we move, our head will be here, so this will be head and the previous will be here, so previous will become here. Now again we will check, still it is not same, then we again move, so head will come here and previous will come here. So this will be previous and this will be the head. Now head dot value equal to the value. So what we will do, we will here just update our head, not the previous. So we just update head in this case when the value equals to this. So head will become here. Now head dot value not equal, then we take our previous dot next to this head. So we will bypass this node by doing this. So this will automatically, node 6 will be removed from our list. Similarly we will do continue, and in the end also we will remove. But in the end, like whenever we have last node, like here, this head will be here and the previous will be here. So if we check, the head will go to the next pointer while our previous is still be pointing here and previous dot next is 6. So in the end we just make our previous next is null, because every time in the end we have to set our previous dot next to null. So this is the code I have written down here. So like first we created a dummy node here with -1 value, then initialize the dummy node and then change the next pointer to head and initialize another pointer previous which will treat from the dummy node, and then we are looping until our head reach to the end of the list, and we are checking if head dot value not equal to value, we are updating our previous dot next to head and then previous pointer and also head pointer in every case, and in the end we are setting as discussed previous dot next to null, and the end we will return just dummy node dot next whatever. So this will solve this our problem, but the constraint in this problem is like we are using a dummy node with -1 value, while in the problem if you see there is no constraint given for the value types of the list node. So this can be passed, this solution, because of the big test cases in this problem, but this is not a better approach. How we can solve more better? So for solving this more better, what we will do, we just look into this problem again. Let me draw down this list again. So here we have had, what we will do first, like we will check if we have head dot value until head dot value is same as the value we are looking for. So here let's say value we are looking 6, we check the head dot value equal to value, we will update all the head to head dot next. After that we will initialize another pointer which is, let it call current pointer, then we will initialize current pointer with the head, and we will look for the, instead of current we will look for the current dot next pointer value if it is, so initial our current will be here, so let it represent with C, and if we see current dot next dot value equals to 6, no, then we will simply update our current to the next, current equals to current dot next. Once current dot next here, we will again check current dot next dot val is equals to val. Yes, we have now. So what we will do, we simply update current dot next to next dot next. So how? So we will check current dot next dot val if equals to val. In that case, we update our current dot next to current dot next. And while we are still at this current node, and this next pointer is shifted to here. Now we will again check, come back, still this is not equal, then we will update our current. Instead of 6, it will be jump to here. And again we will look for this current dot next is same, no, then we will jump current will here, again current here, and so on. This way we can check. So let's implement this code. So for implementation, we first check for all the head nodes. So while head not equal to null and head dot val equals to the val, we just simply update our head to head dot next to remove all the starting vals nodes which has this value same as the val. Then we will take a list node current, initialize with the head, and we will loop this until our current not equal to null, and also we need to add current dot next not equal to null. Why? Because we are looking for the current dot next node every time. So we will do this, and then we will check if current dot next dot val equals to val. In that case, we just update our current dot next with current dot next, and else case we just simply update current with current dot next. So that's a simple way. In the end, we just simply return head because we are not modifying anything head. So let's compile our code, and it is compiled, and let's submit our code, and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity? Time complexity is the O of n because we are iterating all the node. So the time complexity is O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1. We are using extra pointer. That's it. So this is a very simple and easy to understand solution. Try it. If you like my solution, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get our early notification. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.